Yo guys, what is up? Oh my god, my jumper's so cute. It's got my fucking name on the back. So it's currently raining, only a little bit,
but it's still raining.
and I'm gonna do some gymnastics on the trampoline. And it's like 8:30 p.m, so it's gonna start getting dark soon. I'm just gonna try and place my phone. Can you see the trampoline? Oh my god. Okay, and I'm joined by my sister who's gonna silently watch. Oh my god, I'm tripping over. Say hi to the camera. Hi. Okay. Oh, I need a hairband. So, things you can do on a trampoline. I'm gonna show you my favourite move of all time, right? They're called back bounces, and it's basically bouncing for a lazy person. Yeah? Oh, I just stepped in a wet puddle. Okay, so that's my annoying ass sister. Okay, so now my sister's out the way. I'm going to show you a few of my favourite things to do on a trampoline. Wow, it's really windy, should have done a hairband. Okay. Don't know what that looked like. That was really weird. So that was just a few of my favourite moves. Now I'm really out of breath. Yeah, it stopped raining now, thankfully. My sister's in the background playing hula. Okay, so now I've done more like gymnastic sort of moves, like somersaults and stuff. I'm now going to show you some more trampoline based moves like back bounces and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I am getting really hot now. Sorry this video is going to be like super short, but yeah, it's just a little gymnastic. Just a little gymnastics and trampolining. And yeah, actually, after this, if I feel like embarrassing myself, I'm going to post a Musical.ly, like put it on the end, of me doing like multiple back somersaults in one go and then I fall over at the end. So I'm out of breath, I'm really tired. Okay, thanks for watching. Social media and then link below. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!